Hi, my name is Allison and today I'm going to be showing you how to install Yoast SEO to your WordPress site. So first you're going to head to your WordPress dashboard and go to Plugins and Add New. Then in the search bar you're going to type in Yoast SEO. It should be the first one that pops up and you can go ahead and click Install Now. Once it's installed, you can either activate it on this page or head to Install Plugins and activate it here. Once it's activated, it's ready to go and it should be on all your pages. So you can go to your pages, and I'm going to head to my demo site's homepage and scroll, and you'll see this Yoast SEO section. Here you can go ahead and edit the focus key phrase, edit your Google preview, check the readability of your site, make sure everything is correct and is reading the best it possibly can for Google. And you can change what kind of site you have. If you have a web page, an about page, a facts page, you can also edit how it shows up on social media. So this is all super awesome and it will help your site do better and show up for more people. You also can do the same for your blog posts. So if you go to your posts and one of your blog posts, you can scroll down and you'll see the same Yoast SEO section. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media.